Hello guys, breaking news updates. Ex-Prime Minister Donald Trump arrested after surrendering and placed under arrest. Donald Trump today was in courtroom defending himself against dozens of counts of falsifying business record and conspiracy for his alleged role in such money payments to two women towards the end of his 2016 presidential campaign. Despite the charge, he remains the front runner for the GOP president nomination in 2024. Trump faced three other criminal investigations of undermining and elections and mishandling sensitive government records, issues at the core of American democracy and security. Breaking news: Donald Trump arrest. Friends, you subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.